Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over one of the supplements that I literally take 5 of every single morning. It is the Amazing Grass Superfood Greens Blend. Let's get into it. So you can see here your superfood nutrition plus nutritious fruits and veggies for health and wellness. This is what's considered the original. So it's tasteless. There's no aftertaste. It doesn't have like lemon flavor. There's 150 capsules in here, but I do take 5 a day. That is the recommended serving size. So you've got about 30 servings per container. As you can see, this is a bigger container. They do have smaller ones as well if you'd like. What's inside these superfood capsules? Wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, beetroot, carrot, pineapple, acai berry, raspberry, acerola cherry, and more. There are so many things in here that made me confident about getting in my daily fruits and veggies and superfoods that I need. This is also adorable. I'm a graphic designer and I love their barcode. It's like grass with a little tractor. This is also gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher, and it supports your digestive health and is plant-based. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to show you what they look like. As you can see, this is almost empty. I've got about a quarter left to go because I have been taking 5 of these every single day for the past 45 days or so. But these are what they look like, little plant-based capsules, and everything that I just mentioned is crushed up into powder form and packed in here, and you're going to want to take 5 of those every day. I personally take these in the morning first thing when I'm having my protein shake or my breakfast. So if you also are looking to get your fruits and veggies in without having to cook or prep them yourself, this might be for you as well.